Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Surfer SEO and Moz AI. So let's get started. Surfer SEO Leads is a content optimization. It helps you write high-ranking blog posts and leading page by analyzing top-performing pages for your target keywords. You get real-time SEO scores, keywords usage suggestion, content length guide, and SERP structure insight. Its AI integration and easy Google Doc plugin make it perfect for content creators, bloggers, and SEO-focused writers who want fast and data-driven results. On the other hand, Moz is well-rounded SEO suited that includes keyword search, rank tracking, backlink analysis, and site audit. Its domain authority metric is still widely respected in the industry. Moz is more beginner-friendly than most of the SEO platform tools and offer clean educational insight, but it lacks the deep content optimization and real-time SERP comparison that Surfer provides. And here's the very conclusion: go with Surfer SEO if content creation and on-page optimizations are your main focus, and choose Moz if you want or you need a broader SEO toolkit that cover keyword research, links, and site health in a simpler, more traditional way. For writers, Surfer wins, and for general SEO management, Moz still comes strong out of this situation. And that's it.